Guys, please do not kill us.
Yeah, we're not
we are
KFC
not
people.
KFC people.
Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique. Right now.
Whoa.
Biscuits.
Sorry.
We want to eat right now.
I said which means I'm thinking. So wait.
Where y'all go?
So
Where the car we go?
the highway.
What highway?
Oh my gosh, the highway to go where we're going. And a wrong turn. Relax. That moment when I try to leave out early, but things happen, and things happen, and some more things happen. You're stuck in a traffic. Hope I'll need a bypass. Need a bypass. Which one I think need a bypass more? Lucy or Hopewell?
Lucy. Call me bias.
We are voting.
Where
We're
would
voting.
you say?
Bro. At least Lucy have Malcolmites and something.
It's not a bypass.
It's not a bypass, but at least you have it. Opal don't have anything else.
Lucy needs more traffic.
I understand that, and I agree with that.
You will.
I understand that, and I agree with that. However, I definitely think at least Lucy have Malcolmites. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We know that it has been a while.
It's been forever and a half.
We will probably explain in the live stream, but let's go ahead and explain here as well. We haven't been able to do work.
It's been crazy.
Mainly hers. So yeah, what we normally do since coming off a honeymoon and even before we got married is that on weekends, Mr. Weekends, especially Sunday, we take that day and we'll go somewhere, we'll do something or whatever. However, certain people, workplace, not cutting the workplace, you know, everything have them thing, but certain people workplace, yeah, this beautiful, wonderful, splendiferous day off, sis. She has Monday, Tuesday off. Now tell me now, with me having either Friday, Sunday or Saturday, Sunday off, how me and her I could go now? And then with combined with that too, we had this class thing that we were doing, so that took up most of our times in the evening. So if we decide to go somewhere and probably do one look at something, we couldn't because we had class or we have to prepare for whatever in relation to class. So copyright.
Huh? It's got different price.
undo outer door. Pull up my clothes.
Of course, it's fine.
Pull it up. Ah, give me a wedgie.
You're welcome.
Take it out.
You're welcome.
As long as I can remember. Say something.
Ass.
Hey, you.
Gotcha! Yay! Alright, coming from upper country. You just the way I watch vehicle in a rain. Good times. Yeah, there are a lot of bamboo here. Me tell you people step outside journey.
Go straight down in there.
Tell you people step outside journey to go up on my country bush. Coming like a Holland bamboo. Kinda-ish. Not really. Kinda-ish. Don't kill my vibe.
Okay.
Please don't kill my vibe.
Okay. Probably Joe. Lord have mercy.
Ghost!
Stop.
What happened?
Me no
And
want
I like
none
they
of them
can't hear me
charge
from up
Me
so.
don't want none of them charging that vehicle.
You such a. Why you wind up your window for? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And you go in the window. Sure, brother. I go back up. No, sir. Stay night. Yeah. I go up now, though. Alright, take care. Yeah, man, you too. Same thing.
What I want? You say, alright.
She asked if I'm good, but you're there home, say I'm good.
What's your husband? Ask him.
I am me. Alright, so nothing at all.
Not paid about. I mean, then I'm just right now with cheese, you know.
Oh, yeah. So you think so we're going to eat it?
Cheese. I'm going to get sliced cheese.
Machine. Are we alone by bread? Hot bread?
Oh, wow.
I'm about to reach my vehicle.
You just have to dig in. Just gotta dig in.
No? Yeah?
That's the vibe. And then, of course, by the time I reach home, that boy's it's done.
Long time we know about rat bread still, no?
Been a minute.
Yeah.
Been a minute. So, I'm sure Ren has said this multiple times that we're on a whole that journey change of lifestyle altogether anyways.
It's a lifestyle. Or dietary lifestyle? You wanna say that?
I mean, it's not just for that has changed. Or that is changing. But yeah. So we're pescatarians. Yay, it's a big word.
Big word. Bombat! What's your hello like?
Hello!
Oh.
In the video.
I'm gonna say Bombat!
We talking. So yeah. And I'm not going to lie, guys, it has been rough. Sometimes. Not all the time. Because sometimes I miss the chicken. And it's like, oh well, I'm not missing anything because my fish over here tastes darn good.
Or whatever is prepared.
Yeah.
But, nah, like, she said chicken, and I'm not gonna say just chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. You see, when I drive past certain place and that jerk chicken smell in your face.
Box, yo. It's like the KFC lovers when them drive past KFC, when them drive past KFC, and the KFC smell just, yeah? Yeah, man. All
Not
nerves.
KFC fans, but we have to say, the one thing we're consistent with, I smell. Really smell like chicken.
Lord.
Consistent.
Guys,
and
don't
it's
kill
a good
us.
smell.
Guys, please do not kill us.
Yeah, we're not
we are
KFC
not
people.
KFC people.
So,
As we were saying, we are not KFC folks.
yeah, the only thing I'm willing to go to KFC and buy is their wrap. However, them wrap never available. Them wrap never available.
That thing, that mashed potato with the chicken on the top of it. And the corn.
Oh, I mean that's
No, I'm
what
just
you used
saying,
to buy.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
understand.
Hello. Oh.
Holes in the road. There's some holes in the road. But yeah, aside from that, there's never been a big pull towards KFC.
Am I the only female? Let me not say
God.
female. Am I the only person who, if there is a cheese or something that is tied in a plastic bag, that may have to just sit down and untie the bag? And if someone decides to take this bag and tear it, it just upsets me. Like really upset me. Am I the only one? Please tell me I'm not the only one, because this husband of mine thinks I'm the only one.
Hello. Alright, so we are on our journey home. Well,
Coconut.
home yes, but then I have to leave because I have an event that I have to cover. So somebody gonna be home alone because the event that I'm going to is not her type of event at all. But anyways, we wanna thank you for coming along with us. Today might not have had amazing substance in the video or whatever, but really and truly we just need to get some videos out, and better ones are coming. But if you stuck around, you sit down and watch Renouy Crab, thank you very much. Yeah, so me that eat bread a while ago, she that eat bread a while ago, she that drink.
Like, share.
Oh yeah, like, share and subscribe, but me there say me that choke, that's why I'm stop. I mean, I don't like when people go.
Don't care. Don't do that. I'm still in the vehicle. If somebody just decides, oh, you know, I'm going to just jump in it and drive. You don't care that they're going to drive away with me?
Guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.